So hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be not talking about anything about the internship and stuff like that. This is going to be a very important video for me as well as the viewers of this subscribers of this channel also, because I'm going to take a 30-day challenge, and that 30-day challenge is going to be literally it is not the impossible stuff, but it is much harder thing you need to see. Like the thing I'm going to do in this 30-day challenge is going to be very tough because of different things that I'll be talking in this video. This is a difficult thing in itself to get a client and get things done pretty well in 30 days, but with my condition it is going to become much harder. And in this 30-day challenge I'm going to do different things that I'll be explaining in this video totally, so that stick to the very end. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe now, press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update related to internship. And if you are a college student, then subscribe guys. So let's get into this video and let's talk about what is that challenge, how I'm going to do that, what is stuff, and how difficult is that thing. Let us go into this video. So guys, the challenge is none other than starting an SMM agency. And to be honest, I have been listening about SMM and stuff like that, and have learned much more things about how to start it and great things about SMM in last a month. And to be honest, I'll be starting SMM agency from today onwards. Today's date is 1st of June 2022, and I'll be ending this what we can say that this challenge on the very 1st of July. So this is going to be I think 31 days, and yeah, we can consider one day, but yeah, this is the whole month challenge. In this whole month, the things that I'm going to do is landing a first client for my SMM agency. Second is I think that I can generate income from that. And literally the most important thing that I'm going to do in this whole month is just getting the first ever client for my SMM agency. That is like anytime if I say SMMA, the agency comes out. So that is okay. That is not a part of our challenge, but the whole intent of making this video is to make you guys aware about the challenge that I'm going to start from today onwards till the next 1st July. I'll be getting many challenges in this whole month, because there are different challenges in front of me already. Those challenges are literally my exams, final exams, and my progressive test second exams. And literally this is going to be very tough, because without having exams or without having exams or test also, people are finding it difficult to sign up their first client in the 30 days. So I have my exams also. Now I have to work on exams, and later on I have to work on my social media marketing agency. I have to get client for that, result income, create results, and somehow make this challenge happen in the 30 days. I'm not getting into that stuff like I will guarantee it is guaranteed to get 30 days a client in 30 days, because I have seen many people on talking about interviews, and I have been watching the social media marketing stuff from last a month, as I told you guys. And I think that it is going to be very difficult for me also to land my first client, as well as to get into this space, because if you see different interviews of people talking about social media marketing agency starting out it, and literally being in the India or being in the developing country, it is much harder to gain clients from countries like UK, USA, Australia, Canada, because of the time zone as well as the language and many other things that are considered always. So I'll be trying my best to do all this stuff. And let us keep this video short, because this is not explainer video. I'll be talking about this part 2 video in July, on July 1st. There will be a great video on that day. I don't know what is the result going to be. I will put my 100% in this stuff to get my first client, and this is going to be a life-changing moment for me, because if I land the first client in 30 days, literally guys, I'll be way more happy than getting 100 out of 100 in my exams, getting gold medal in my exam, first rank in my class. That doesn't literally matter to me if I land the first client in just 30 days. So let us see. I'll be talking about that stuff on the 1st of July. So this is what I wanted to tell. Let us see on the 1st of July what the result is. I won't say that this is I think that this is going to positive, or I will also not say that this is going to be a negative result. I literally don't know what is going to happen. I will just put my 100% in getting my first ever client for my social media marketing agency. So hit this like button for my motivation if you guys think it. So hit the like button and subscribe now, press the bell icon to get notified on the 1st of July about this challenge part 2nd, or about this challenge result. And if you are running, or if you know something about social media marketing agency, running it or and stuff like that, comment down and let me know your tips and how can I get my first ever client for my agency being in India. That would be very grateful for me if I get to know much more about you, how to get the client. So this is it for this video. Comment down your tips and tricks that you think that can help me really figure out. I will see you in the next video of internship, and I will see you on the 1st of July about this 2nd part. I hope the results are going to be positive. I will see you in the next one. Then take care. Bye bye.